Hey, hi, this is my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm going to prep it. The plan is to have a mini section out in front because I'm trying to leave out as little hair as possible. I'm also going to make the back section in like big braids because I don't have time. It's meant to be an easy style. I'm using the hairpins to pin down the ends of the big braids I did. I'm going to use this to cover up my hair. This feels bulky, but it's curly hair, it's not going to show.
This hair is from Curlscurls. As you can see, the packaging came really neat and structured. I've worked with this brand multiple times and their hair is always of high quality. Believe me when I tell you that. I'm going to take the hair out of the pack and give you guys more details about the half wig. So this wig is the Kinky curly half wig. The curl pattern is Kinky curly in 3C4A. The length is 18 inches and the cap is free size, so it can fit any head size. I went ahead to shampoo it and condition it off screen, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now.
So this is what the hair looks like. It comes with 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it also has a drawstring that can enable you to put it in a ponytail, and it also has like the normal string stuff, this that also helps tighten it a bit more. It's not really my own curl pattern, but I want to try it out and see what happens or see how it blends with my own hair. I'm just going to use water to spray the hair a bit. I'm using water on my hair, but I don't want it to be too thin. I still want it to be fluffy, so I'm still fluffing it out while I spray the water. Like, it already looks good even before taking out my leave out. So I'm just going to quickly take out my leave out. As you saw, my hair was stretched before I did this, so I'm going to see how my hair would blend with the leave out, with the hair. I'm going to take my leave-in and just spray a little bit on my hair. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. I think I want to do like a side vibe, not like the middle vibe.
Every bit of me now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true.
Can you guys see how easy it was to Can you see how easy it was to just flip it over? I'm short-sighted, but when I go closer, what I'm seeing is something I can definitely go out with. So let me try to come closer so you guys can see. Just leaving this small section out would do no harm to your hair. I mean, like, look at this, you guys, look at this. I literally just changed the curl pattern on my hair because this half wig, what?
For the next hairstyle, I'm going to put my hair in a high bun with a side part and a swoop. So you guys are just going to see what I'm going to do. I'm really excited for this next style because this is something I've never tried out, or it's something, I wouldn't say I've never tried out. I'm just trying to get out of my comfort zone and try out different types of hairstyle. So yeah, this is me putting my hair in the high bun or high puff or whatever, but when you put your hair in the high puff, just braid it down or put it in a braid so you're able to attach the half wig on your hair.
Like, in order to cover up this part, I'm going to take a section of hair from the back and then just roll that over, and then do the same on the other side, making sure it's covering. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So they both came together, so I'm just going to put both of them together then. I added these accessories to the style and it's definitely cute. I don't know if my other pin can show. If it can show, just ignore it, guys. We're just going to pretend like it's not there. This is what the second style is looking like. I think I'm just going to pin this section to the back a bit so it's not in my way or it's not coming forward too much. Yep. This is so cute. This is adorbs. This is adorable. I genuinely think the accessories add a little bit of to the hairstyle. You can have this as a low puff, a low bun, a low ponytail, whatever you want it to be. You can have it in that way. I really think this style is cute. I love the accessories. It gives it that, you know, difference, and it looks really cute. It gives it that I'm here, you know, I'm shining, I'm popping. I could easily wear my 90s glasses and I'm done. Anyways, this is the style. This is the second style. This is how I would style this. However, I'm not done yet. I'm going to show you guys one more hairstyle which I've been wanting to try out for so long. So we're going to see what it looks like together.
Go. You can tell me to down.
So this is what my hair is looking like now. I'm going to start styling it. I'm still going to use the same style. I just want to turn it into a high puff. I'm going to take the front part of the half wig and put it at the back section, the back side, and then the ponytail, the drawstring is going to be in front, just so I feel it's going to, you know, hide it better. I'm going to take a section from the front part, like the side, and also another section from the side as well. I'm also thinking, oh, do you think that would be cute? I think it would be cute. Okay, let's see if I can do that. I'm going to leave this two sections for cuteness, and then I'm going to raise the rest of the hair. Take this part, twist it around, and put it, spin it down.
Sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars.
Okay, so one of the reasons I did that is to sort of cover up the back so it doesn't look funny, because I'm going to put this puff in another puff. I'm sure you guys are like, Glory, what are you doing? I have this idea in my head, guys, so it has to work. I left this strand, and this strand for cuteness purposes. I'm going to take this and then okay. It seems to be working. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fluff it out well. Ah! I have achieved the pineapple puff. Wow, I'm impressed. So I'm just going to bring out all the ones that did not come out. I don't know if you guys are seeing this cuteness, but the cuteness I'm seeing in the mirror is so cute. So I'm just going to make sure everything is fluffed out well. Maybe raise the ponytail a bit. Oh, the scrunchie, sorry. I'm trying to get as low as possible so you guys can see this beauty I'm creating right here. So I'm going to take water and just spray it at the top. you guys see me? These curls, I want them to curl, so I'm going to use this mousse. I got it yesterday. Hopefully it gives me what I wanted to give to me. And then I'm going to use the mousse to just, you know, curl these strands of hair better. When I'm done with that, I'm going to take the mousse and just sort of apply it on the top section. I just bought you can't spoil. Okay, alright. Okay, I think I'm getting there. Alright, so guys, this is what it's looking like. I want to use bigger earrings. Oh, I feel like bigger earrings are going to give it more oomph. What do you guys think? This is it. This is so cute. This is one of the cutest styles I think I've done. Like this whole video is so cute. I think this is such a gorgeous style. I've been wanting so bad to do this pineapple. I'm so glad I'm able to achieve it with this half wig. Like, who would have thought the half wig would come through this way? But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I think I look amazing. I think this style is my favorite from all three I've done. It's like different. It's not what you would expect. You would think I probably have a puff in here, but this is like a half wig, so you can definitely achieve it with a half wig, of course. I really like these thingies hanging around. I was trying to make them cute and stuff. If you want your ponytail to be higher, you can add another scrunchie, but I think this works perfectly for me. This is perfectly okay for me. I'm happy with this look. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. All of the information about this hair would be in the description box below, so please do check it out. This hair, like I mentioned, is from Curlscurls. You can definitely check it out, of course, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.